Ladies and gentlemen, this dance is a reminder. Peace is sacred, but peace must be built, not with violence, but with courage, wisdom, and the will to forgive. Forgive, brother. Ladies and gentlemen, Bono lives on.
Hindi ko kaya yan, pero parang si Ma'am Jen, hindi nalalasing dyan.
Thank you very much.
Ibang tubig yun.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Good afternoon, beautiful people of the Philippines and South Korea. Ako po si Khaled Salazar.
At ako po naman si Cecil Wang, ang inyong MCs for this meaningful and historic event, the 127th Philippine Independence Day celebration dito sa Yangsan, Sochang.
Tama, sa kabila ng distansya sa ating inang bayan, hindi kailangan nalilimutan ng mga Pilipino ang ating pinagmulan. Today, we don't just wave the flag, we raise our culture, we lift our stories, and we dance, sing, and celebrate as one proud Filipino community.
Sama-sama nating ipagdiwang ang kalayaan. Kalayaang bumangon, pangarap at magtagumpay kahit nasa ibang bansa tayo. A while ago, Carl, it was a powerful way to open our celebration.
Yes, grabe, ang lakas ng dating. That wasn't just a performance, it was a story of peace, courage, and heritage from the Cordilleras in South Korea.
Tunay ngang ang kultura natin ay hindi lang nakikita, nararamdaman ito. Once again, let's give a big round of applause to CISK.
Okay, and with that incredible energy, we officially welcome you to the 127th Philippine Independence Day celebration here in Yangsan, Sochang, South Korea.
Yes, handa na ba kayo sa isang hapon ng saya, musika at pagmamalaki bilang isang Pilipino?
Kasi kami, super ready na. So let's keep the spirit alive and celebrate freedom, unity, and Filipino pride. Ngayon na napapasya na natin ang ating programa sa isang makapangyarihan pagtatanghal. It's only fitting that we ground ourselves in reflection.